week your home hits the market can make or cost you thousands of dollars. Today's home buyers watch new listings very closely, especially in competitive Bay Area markets like Fremont, San Jose, and other areas. When your home is priced correctly and marketed professionally from day one, that is when you attract the strongest attention, highest engagement, and often the best offers. But if your home launches overpriced or poorly prepared, momentum slows quickly and buyers begin thinking if something may be wrong with the property. In today's market, you don't get a second first impression. Hi, this is Sumar Sridhar, Bay Area real estate broker and a realtor. I help sellers to create strong launch strategies that maximize buyers' attention from the very beginning. Preparation before listing matters tremendously and can directly affect your final results. Message me today for a complimentary home preparation and launch strategy consultation. Thanks for watching. This is Sumar Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area. Have a great day.